There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Charger GT in Frostbite. With LED headlamps, functional hood scoop, 20-inch aluminum wheels, one-piece performance spoiler, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 9,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Dodge performance pages, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7414.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.